Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. No, I'm losing track of my days. It is Wednesday, April 8th, and I'm just arriving at the post office. They called me at 5:45 this morning to tell me that my baby chicks have arrived. So I am here now. It's 7:30. I wasn't quite ready to get up then, but they said I could come through the employee-only spot in the back and push the buzzer, and they would bring them out. So let's do this. Alright, let's see if we can find this employee door with the buzzer. I think we found it. Alright, here I go. Alright, here they are. I haven't opened it yet. As soon as I get to the house, I'm going to open it and unbox it, and I will show you guys the new baby chicks. I'm so excited. Let's head home. Alright, we are home, and let's just open up this box and check out the babies. I originally had asked for an Austroplorp, a black barred rock, an Easter egger, and a Buff Orpington. They said if they, for some reason, were off on their hatching numbers, that they may substitute a different one, and I gave them some options. So let's see if they sent, and hopefully all four of these baby chicks are healthy, happy, and alive. Get back, Caesar. My Roddy's interested in what's going on here. Get this open. No, Caesar. Hello. Hello. They're all alive. Let me show you at the camera what they look like when they come. Hi. All right. See if the packing slip says, I know you want to help. Okay, it says I got my green queen Easter egger, my barred rock, my black Austroplorp, and my Buff Orpington. Yay! All right, let me adjust this so y'all can see a little better. Okay, so let's see. I think this is, they're so little. Oh my goodness. Look how little. Look how little. Can you see? Hi. I believe this is the barred rock. I could be wrong, I'll have to double check, but I'm gonna go ahead and put her, I've ordered all females, I'm gonna put her in her new little brooder with some food and water. Okay, now I think this is the Buff Orpington, if I'm correct. Like I said, I will double check and let you guys know, but say hi, welcome to the world. All right, there you go. Okay. Now, I think this is my blue Easter egger. Well, they call him a green queen, so maybe it's a green queen Easter egger. Look how cute and so tiny. Here, baby, look. I know. They look happy, healthy. They're all alive. Look at that. First time on camera. All right. There you go. And I'm pretty sure this is my black Austroplorp. The barred rock and the black Austroplorp are kind of hard to tell, I've been told, when they're just little babies. You say hello? Oh, look at those pretty wings. You want to say hello? Look, there you go. There's your camera debut on YouTube. Say hi. Okay, I know. All right, so I've got some food and water for them. I'll show you, I've shown this brooder before in my video where I brought home the ISA browns from a local feed store. So I've cleaned it out. Actually, this is a little bit of a smaller one. And then I'm gonna move to my kind of in-between coop when they're about 6 weeks old. And then when they're big enough, I will introduce them to the older chicks, which now are about 2.5 months maybe. So there's my 4 little girls. So they were born on Monday, and I think today's the 8th, so they were born on the 6th. They were shipped on the 6th. They were supposed to get here yesterday on the 7th, but they got stuck at a hub, a larger post office, about 2 hours from here, and they didn't make it by their 3 o'clock. Oh, one's in the water dish. They didn't make it by their 3 o'clock estimated arrival time, so they came early this morning. So that's their water, their feeder, some fresh pine straw, and the brooder light, which I'm going to turn on here in just a second. It's just really bright and kind of makes bad lighting for the camera. So I'm super excited. I will be back with some more videos on them. And, oh, they're just so darn cute. All right, make sure you check out my other chicken videos, and I'll see you guys soon.